Uncertainty is a part of life. We never know what tomorrow holds. A pandemic or natural disaster can disrupt our lives, and these events can disrupt food supply chains, leaving us vulnerable. A self-sufficient homestead can provide a safety net. A 10-acre homestead is a haven in uncertain times. It provides space for growing food, and you can raise animals for meat and eggs. It offers a sense of security, and this security comes from knowing you can feed your family. Self-sufficiency is about more than just food. It's about resilience. It's about taking control of your life. It's about connecting with nature. A homestead allows you to work with the land, nurture life, and reap its rewards. Chickens are an essential part of any homestead. They are relatively easy to raise and provide a steady supply of eggs and meat. Plus, they contribute to the health of your garden. Chickens are natural foragers. They eat insects and weed seeds, and their droppings are rich in nitrogen, a valuable fertilizer for your plants. You can use chicken manure to create compost, which enriches your soil and improves its structure. To maximize egg production, provide your chickens with a spacious coop, allow them access to a grassy area for foraging, and a diet of grains and kitchen scraps keeps them healthy. Regularly collect eggs to encourage continued laying. A well-managed garden is the heart of a homestead. It provides fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Plan your garden carefully to maximize space. Use raised beds for better drainage and soil control. Crop rotation is vital for soil health. Don't plant the same crop in the same spot year after year, as this depletes the soil of nutrients. Rotating crops helps prevent disease and pest infestations. For example, plant legumes one year, followed by leafy greens the next year. Consider a greenhouse to extend your growing season. Greenhouses provide a controlled environment, protect plants from harsh weather, allow you to start seedlings early, and grow delicate plants that wouldn't survive outside. Livestock play a vital role in a sustainable homestead. They provide meat, milk, and fiber, and also contribute to the cycle of nutrient recycling. Choose livestock that suits your needs and space. Goats are great for milk and cheese, sheep offer wool and meat, and pigs are efficient meat producers. They also act as natural tillers, turning over soil in search of food, which can help prepare land for planting. Rotational grazing is crucial for pasture management. Move livestock to different areas to prevent overgrazing. Livestock also provide manure, which you can use for composting. Compost is a valuable soil amendment, adding nutrients and improving soil structure, leading to healthier plants and higher yields. Emergencies can happen unexpectedly. A lockdown or natural disaster can disrupt supply chains. This makes emergency preparedness crucial for homesteaders. Stockpile essential supplies. These include food, water, medicine, and tools. Store enough food to last your family for several months. Focus on shelf-stable items. These include grains, beans, canned goods, and dried fruits. Water is essential for survival. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day. Have a plan for purifying water if your regular source becomes contaminated. Keep a first aid kit readily available. Include essential medications. Have tools for basic repairs. These include a hammer, saw, wrench, and screwdrivers. A generator can provide power during outages. Fuel for the generator is important to store. Preserving food extends its shelf life. It allows you to enjoy the fruits of your labor year-round. Pickling is a popular method for preserving vegetables. It involves soaking vegetables in a brine of vinegar, salt, and spices. Pickled cucumbers, onions, and peppers add flavor to meals. Canning is another effective preservation technique. It involves sealing food in jars and heating them to high temperatures. This kills bacteria and prevents spoilage. You can fruits, vegetables, soups, and meats. Freezing is a quick and easy way to preserve many foods. Blanch vegetables before freezing to maintain quality. Dehydrating is ideal for fruits, vegetables, and herbs. It removes moisture, preventing spoilage. Dried foods are lightweight and easy to store. Learn different preservation methods. Experiment with various techniques to find what works best for you. Self-sufficiency doesn't mean isolation. Collaborating with your community enhances resilience. Share resources and knowledge with fellow homesteaders. Organize seed swaps to diversify your crops. Help each other with tasks like harvesting and preserving. Bartering allows you to trade goods and services. Trade your surplus eggs for fresh produce from a neighbor's garden. Help with livestock care in exchange for honey from a local beekeeper. Community collaboration fosters a sense of belonging. It creates a support system that benefits everyone. Working together strengthens your community. It makes you more resilient in the face of challenges. Sharing knowledge and resources prepares you for unforeseen events. It fosters a spirit of cooperation and mutual support. Lockdowns and uncertain times can be stressful. A self-sufficient homestead offers solace. Working with the land provides a sense of purpose. It connects you to the natural world. The satisfaction of growing your food is deeply rewarding. Caring for animals fosters a sense of responsibility. Witnessing the cycle of life on your homestead is grounding. From planting seeds to harvesting crops, you participate in nature's rhythms. This connection to nature brings peace and tranquility. It helps you appreciate the simple things in life. Self-sufficiency is about more than just survival. It's about thriving. It's about creating a life of purpose and resilience. It's about finding peace and connection amidst uncertainty. A 10-acre homestead provides the space to cultivate this life.